The most noble among you in the sight of Allah is those who have taqwa. So what is taqwa? It's God consciousness, meaning always thinking of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every decision you make in life, every action you do, thinking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now, sometimes we forget, sometimes we do things out of habit, or we do things for our own gain and things like that. But when we do things for the sake of Allah, when we're constantly thinking of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he says that we are the most noble in his eyes, subhanallah. So that's a friendly reminder for you and for me that it's not about money, it's not about popularity, it's not about getting all the knowledge. It's worth nothing if you have not got taqwa. Remember your Lord and do things for his sake. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.